Guys, I'm so bored. What do you want to do today? Well, I was thinking we could. No! But, Junior, I didn't even get to say anything. Well, I don't care. You have 4 eyes. You're a nerd, freak. What the heck is that for?
Yeah, that's funny, Junior.
Yeah, it is. Hey, poor man, what do you want to do today?
Wait, why you call me poor?
Because I'm being honest with you.
But if you were my friend, you wouldn't call me poor. You know I hate that.
But I'd be lying because I'm going to tell you that you're poor because you are poor. Poor man.
Listen, Junior, I'm going to tell you one last time. Do not call me poor again.
Yeah, you're being really mean, Junior.